6 years ago, Yamaha first introduced the concept of the electric motorcycle Motoroid, which looked like an invention from a science fiction movie. Now, Yamaha has unveiled the second version of its futuristic Motoroid concept motorcycle, equipped with a pivoting swing arm, AI-powered facial recognition, and the ability to self-balance. The rear part of the motorcycle can tilt independently of the front, and it lacks traditional handlebars. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 takes significant liberties in design, avoiding much of the mechanics of traditional motorcycles. It is designed to be self-balancing and potentially an autonomous vehicle. The active center of gravity control system helps the motorcycle orient itself precisely in space and avoid tipping over. The Will Model F, developed by the Japanese company Will Inc., is a foldable, lightweight power chair designed for easy transportation and enhanced mobility. Weighing around 24 kilograms without the battery and capable of folding in less than 3 seconds, it is convenient for travel on planes, buses, and trains, as well as for storage in small spaces. Key features include top speed, 6 kilometers per hour. Range, up to 20 kilometers on a single charge, though practical usage may see slightly lower ranges depending on conditions. Narrow turning radius, 30.7 inches, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces. Incline handling, can manage inclines up to 10 degrees and obstacles up to 1.4 inches high. The Japanese company Kawahara and Nama Labs at the University of Tokyo has developed POO, an innovative electric scooter that offers a unique solution for urban transportation. POO, portable and inflatable mobility, features an inflatable design that makes it extremely lightweight and portable. The electric scooter weighs only 5.5 kilograms when deflated, making it easy to carry. It is made of thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, ensuring a lightweight and durable construction. It inflates using a small pump in just a few minutes, providing a sturdy and stable platform for riding. When inflated, POO is about 1 meter long, making it compact enough for convenient storage. The maximum speed reaches 15 kilometers per h, which is ideal for short city trips, and the range on a single charge is about 20 kilometers, sufficient for daily city commutes. The robot Cloud Ginger from CloudMinds Technologies is set to be not only a household assistant, but also a delightful companion. This android can brew coffee and vacuum, but its abilities extend beyond mere utilitarian tasks. Cloud Ginger also has creative talents, such as putting on a show featuring traditional Beijing opera, entertaining with songs and dances. Recently, the company released a video showcasing the Cloud Ginger robot autonomously making coffee. While the human brain, with about 100 billion neurons, makes decisions and enjoys a cup of coffee with ease, robots face a much more complex challenge. Even with the most advanced chip technologies, a powerful computer weighing 1,000,000 times more than the human brain would be required for similar tasks. Engineers from the University of Tokyo and the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics have unveiled an innovative form of transportation, an assistant robot that can transform into a small scooter or Segway. This assistant, named Kangaroo, can follow its owner and carry items such as groceries or other belongings. If the person gets tired, they can command the robot to transform, and it will turn into a simple mobile vehicle with a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per h. As a vehicle, Kangaroo can navigate on its own using maps and positioning systems, employing an environment recognition system to ensure safe travel. There is also a manual mode in which Kangaroo functions like a regular scooter, although it can take control in an emergency to avoid collisions. Currently, the Kangaroo robot is still in the development stage, and it is unknown when it will be available for purchase. The creators envision a future where everyone has such an assistant robot, which can be summoned like a taxi, providing a comfortable and safe ride to the store or work. ILY-AI is an innovative electric scooter model created by Japanese designer Mikiya Kobayashi in collaboration with automotive company Isenseki and Kuroku. one of Japan's leading wooden furniture manufacturers. The scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use and features an aluminum frame with a soft wooden body. All its components are concealed behind the front panel and within the front wheels, giving it a sleek and minimalist appearance. Designed with safety in mind, especially for elderly users, the ILY AI has a maximum speed limited to 4 km per h, roughly equivalent to walking speed. It is also equipped with a built-in safety sensor that stops the scooter in case of any obstacles, ensuring a secure ride. The name ILY AI stands for Innovative Lifestyle for You, and Active and Intelligent. One of the most advanced AI-powered vehicles developed by Toyota is the Concept iWalk, a 3-wheel vehicle designed for pedestrian zones. This innovative scooter is equipped with an electric powertrain, allowing it to travel distances of up to 20 kilometers on a single charge. Similar to a hoverboard, the Concept iWalk features 3 wheels and a control joystick, making it user-friendly even for elderly people. As the speed increases, the vehicle extends to enlarge the wheelbase, providing additional stability. The range on a single charge varies from 10 to 20 kilometers. The Concept iWalk includes a display in the form of a sphere on top of the joystick for interacting with the artificial intelligence system. Honda's diverse interests are truly enviable, as the company aims to cover a wide range of transportation niches. In September, Honda announced a pleasant surprise for fans of progressive, unconventional electric technology by releasing the Honda Moto Compacto, a remake of the autonomous gas scooter that was introduced almost 40 years ago. The 2023 Moto Compacto has the following specifications: maximum speed, 24 kilometers per h range on a single charge, up to 19 kilometers, weight 18.7 kilograms, charging time 3.5 hours. The main control is handled by a single button under the display. Once turned on, the scooter switches to the first speed mode, accelerating up to 16 kilometers per h. This model is priced at $1,000. The company openly admits that the novelty was not designed as a cargo carrier. Honda has unveiled a groundbreaking wheelchair called Uni One, equipped with special technologies that offer a mixed reality experience. This unique wheelchair is not just for people with disabilities, but can be enjoyed by a wider audience. The specialized wheelchair ensures user safety by preventing tipping over, thanks to its self-balance technology. Users can control the Uni One solely through body movements, making it highly intuitive and easy to use. One of the most innovative features of the Uni One is its integration with a mixed reality headset. This allows users to play games projected through the glasses while moving in the wheelchair. According to Honda, the Uni One is designed for use both indoors and outdoors, making it suitable for large venues such as shopping malls and fairgrounds. The Japanese company Roids Tech has unveiled its new 3-wheel mobility platform called the Raptor. This unique vehicle is truly impressive, with a special feature that sets it apart. The car body is divided into 2 parts. The upper part, known as the design unit, and the lower part, known as the base block, can be separated or combined. A 48-volt battery powers the Raptor, allowing it to reach a cruising speed of 30 kilometers per h and maintain continuous operation for up to 40 kilometers. It is classified as a motor-assisted bicycle and requires a driver's license to operate. Toyota Research Institute has delighted robotics enthusiasts with the unveiling of a new robot. The company's projects are always unconventional and interesting, which is why we follow them with special pleasure. The new soft humanoid robot, Toyota Puno, is designed to gently hug and carry bulky objects with its entire body, mimicking human actions. Puno, with its genuinely cute and friendly appearance, is dressed in a large, cozy sweater made of special materials filled with tactile sensors. These sensors assist Puno in precisely feeling what it is hugging, whether it's a person or an object. The robot has large, soft paws, as the engineers themselves call them, consisting of 13 air-filled chambers whose pressure can be adjusted. These paws end with inflatable cushions with a pattern inside controlled by cameras. When the robot touches something, the pattern deforms, allowing Puno to understand what it has touched.